Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove a member from Trello board. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Trello, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Removing a member from a Trello board is a straightforward process, but it's important. For example, if a team member transitions to a different role or project, removing them from the current board helps reflect their updated responsibilities. Or maybe if the team member or the freelancer or the client leaves the organization or is no longer part of the project, removing them from the board ensures they no longer have access. Now, it's quite easy because all you're going to do is hover to the upper right corner. You see, there's going to be an option here. Now, when you click that, you would be able to see the settings for the board. For example, you can change the permissions, commenting, adding and removing members right here. You can add, remove permissions, admins, only all members. All right, you can click that. You would have all these options. Second thing that you can do is go here at the left side panel of your dashboard and click on members. All right, if you have multiple members here, for example, you can easily delete them here or remove. All right, you can also click on the leave, and that's how you remove member from board here in Trello. It's a straightforward process that if you do, once a project is completed, I believe that it's necessary to remove members who were involved specifically in that project, especially if they no longer part of that or no longer required for other boards or tasks. Of course, to maintain confidentiality, you might need to remove members who no longer need access to sensitive or proprietary information on the board. Now, if you're having problems removing someone here on the Trello workspace, I highly suggest you go to the upper right corner on your profile icon and click on help, because here you might want to choose the contact support. Obviously, that's going to be about the technical issues. If you're encountering any problems, that could be a bug, we don't know. And the product is going to be Trello. If you get a hold of one of the support staff, tell them you're having problems removing someone from a specific board here on your Trello account. And obviously, they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to potentially fix the problem, all right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.